Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of passive income. Imagine making money while you sleep or enjoying your favorite activities. Sounds amazing, right? Well, we have got you covered. In this video, we will be sharing 10 passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Rental properties. Number 1 on our list is rental properties. Investing in real estate and renting out properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. Whether it's residential homes, apartments, or commercial spaces, rental properties allow you to earn money from tenants while the property appreciates in value over time. Dividend stocks. Next up, we have dividend stocks. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you become a shareholder of a company and receive a portion of its profits on a regular basis. These dividends can be reinvested or used as passive income. It's important to do your research and choose stable and reputable companies that consistently pay dividends. Peer-to-peer lending. Moving on to number 3, we have peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. By diversifying your loans and managing the risk, you can earn passive income from the interest generated by your loans. High-yield saving accounts. Number 4 on our list is high-yield savings account. While it may not generate substantial returns, putting your money in a high-yield savings account can earn you some passive income with minimal task. These accounts typically offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow over time. Affiliate marketing. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through your website, blog, or social media platforms, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This way, you can generate passive income while leveraging your online presence and audience. Royalties. Moving on to the number 6, we have royalties. If you have a talent for creating music, writing books, or designing artwork, you can earn passive income through royalties. Register your work with appropriate organizations and platforms, and every time your work is used or sold, you receive a royalty payment. Create an online course. Number 7 brings us to creating an online course. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is created, it can generate passive income as learners enroll and access your content. Print-on-demand products. Next up, we have print-on-demand products. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble allow you to design and sell customized products without the need for inventory or shipping. You upload your designs, and when a customer places an order, the platform handles the production and delivery, leaving you with passive income. YouTube ads. Moving on to number 9, we have YouTube ads. If you have a YouTube channel with a significant number of subscribers and views, you can monetize your videos through advertising. YouTube displays ads on your videos, and you earn passive income based on the number of views and engagement. Create an app or software. Finally, we have created an app or software. If you have programming skills or a unique idea, developing an app or software can generate passive income. Once it's launched, users can purchase or subscribe to your app, providing you with ongoing passive income. And there you have it, our top 10 passive income ideas. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort, but it can provide you with financial stability and the freedom to pursue your dreams. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.